What is up, everyone? So today I am starting the video by fixing the NB Miata. Boom, right here. As you guys know, we put the coilovers on it and they were too short. They were set up for a complete stance car, and this car isn't a stance car and it's just too low. And look at this thing, it's slammed. I mean, it looks pretty sick, but so it's not too driver friendly as it sits now, and I wanted more of like a track stand. So I talked to the owner of Open Road Tuning, the company where I got my coilovers from, and they were able to send me longer shock bodies to basically extend the height of the car, which is awesome. So we're gonna pull the coilovers out of the NB right here. We're gonna take them all apart, exchange the cores, and have this thing set nice. So here are the fronts. You can already tell they're quite a bit taller right here. So we just gotta pull everything off, the collars, the base, the collars, the spring, and then the top hat. So let's get to it. So here we go. So we have all the pieces of the coilover, and then we have our old shock body and our new shock body. And as you could tell, it's quite a bit taller, which is awesome. Basically, just gonna do exactly what we just did, but in reverse, and we'll be good to go. So back to the time lapse. I just threw them in real quick. We got them ready to go. Hopefully this fits perfect the first time, because I hate adjusting coilovers. It's a tedious process, right, Garrett?
It's not fun. Come on. Look at little shorties, get out of there.
Look at the little stubbies, right?
Those are tiny.
They're cute, as Steph would say.
Adorable.
Adorable. So we're gonna take these apart real quick. Boom, here we go. So these are the old ones right here, and then these are the new ones. As you can tell, they're gonna mount right here. So overall, they're about 2.5, 3 inches longer, which is great. Matches the front. So we'll do it again. Ready? Boom. These look good. These look nice and normal. I'm happy with these. So this should bring the car quite a bit, and hopefully, like I said before, it's the right height the first time. Now it's time to see what our fitment is. I'm hoping on the tall side, because they do got to break in and they'll get a little bit lower. So Garrett, do the honors.
They always lower themselves.
Okay. Looks like the front's a little higher. Here, do a little. Brought it back up quite a bit. It's almost near stock height. I'd say it's a ½ inch lower than stock height, but that's good. Now the car is drivable, which is awesome. We can go get it back on the road and get it registered and get it ready. I'm happy with it, just because now we can give some time for the coilovers to break in, settle a little bit, because they always end up coming down a decent amount. Some brands more than others, but we'll see how these do. So after a couple days of driving, we'll bring it back in and we'll dial the fitment. Still want to keep it on the more conservative side, but I still want to make the car a little bit lower to help with handling and of course looks. So Steffi's gonna be excited because now we could get it on the road. So not the most exciting thing in the world, but we had to get it done. It's on the list. So moving on to stuff that we just have to bang out, we actually have to finish up painting the S13's engine bay. This piece right here more specifically, because you guys know we notched it, and now it's just primered. So once we get that painted, then I can get my whole front end back on and get it all together and make it actually look like a full car. Hopefully this lives up to B standards. Is that good? What do you think? What are you thinking? Woo!
Sorry. Everything's good. You know what's gonna happen when the air blows this? It's gonna go right over that.
Well, I mean, I still gotta tape it.
So yeah.
Okay, we're a step away.
Yeah, I mean, where'd you get this plastic?
That's a trash bag.
That's not good.
Why?
Because you see how this says Pinte Este Lado? That means paint this side, and it's because the paint will stick to this for some reason. Now on this side, it won't stick. And on this shit, it won't stick at all. You gotta.
Yeah, I was so happy.
You were so happy, but it's better off. You're better off to just back tape this. Remember back tape? Just put a piece of tape on the back side, and then we'll lay this over the top, razor blade it out.
Okay, yeah, I tried. Okay, I almost got it. But whatever.
I remember thinking I had good ideas one time.
So what would B-Haul do is the real question, and this is the answer.
Yeah, like I said, just back tape it up. This thing, I'm kind of cheating over here. Should have done that in more pieces. It's all right.
Look at the Lonely K series back there.
She's chilling.
She's chilling. I really want to start testing that in the car, but I was too broke to buy the adapter plate this month. So next month I'll buy the adapter plate. I kind of spent all my money on this month. Oh well. Just to let you guys know, I'm trying not to slack, but money's money.
This thing's pretty sick.
Yeah, this thing's pretty dope. Right, how are we supposed to paint this? It's all covered now. I'm such a funny guy. Oh my god. Yeah, so this makes sense. So, Brian, you always do the back taping technique, and it seems to work really well, especially with this thin stuff. It sticks really well. So, you back tape it so that when you put it down, it sticks to it, and we're just going to cut out the excess.
Yeah, the other cool thing is, like, so you had that piece of plastic was just underneath it, and while it would have protected everything from overspray, the any dust that was like underneath this thing could have come out and around and then back into the paint, where this way only the painting surface.
So what you're saying is
exposed.
I would have messed it up. Like,
I'm just saying there's a couple
one
reasons
day
why we don't use a trash bag.
one day
we have the proper materials.
I'll get this right. I'll get this right one day. B-Haul. Talking shit about my trash bag.
Hey, the prep work was pretty good, so.
Okay, well, looks a little bit nicer than what I did. Just a little bit.
Well, you weren't done, right?
Hey B,
what's up? What? What do you?
I'm really sorry I always cut you off.
Oh, dude, you don't have to be.
It's a bad habit. I'm trying to keep the clips rolling fast and everything.
Yeah, I do it too. It's all right. We're just a couple of dudes.
Just being guys.
Just being guys.
How's your day going, Dudley?
My day's going awesome, Jimmy.
Oh, RJ took the tape.
I didn't take the tape.
It's right here.
I took it off the car because you covered it with the black seed. If anything, you would have lost it.
Quit messing around.
How you doing, man? What's going on?
I don't know. I'm trying to mimic you.
I appreciate it. What's going on here?
I did the twisty thing and then I didn't know what to do with it. I wasn't sure if you were sticking it under the tire or under the fender. I was tying it or not.
It's cool because it looks like it's like emphasized with the yellow.
Sorry, what?
This is what we're gonna paint.
Do you mean emphasized?
Emphasized? What'd I say?
You said empathized.
God, I'm borderline
Just under the line.
You sound technical.
Damn it. He's getting techie with it.
Do something, B-Haul.
Nobody do anything.
Don't move.
Everyone just.
Don't breathe. Everybody stay calm. Stay calm. Do it. Do it.
All right, B. This isn't the Mona Lisa, all right?
Damn right.
Hey, listen. I'm already doing something. Why not try? You know what I mean?
I like that attitude. We need more of that.
People are like, oh, I'm just doing a little thing. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, okay, then just keep doing your thing half-ass, and you'll probably be half-ass.
Never half-ass two things. Whole-ass one thing.
All right, Ron Swanson.
Yes! I'm glad Brian understood that. I'm actually surprised you understood that.
Don't be so surprised all the time, RJ.
Well, you surprise me all the time, Brian. That's all you do.
Let it hit for a second. Come on, she's gonna smooth out a little bit more.
The piece is officially painted, so now we just gotta wait, for the cure, and then we could finish off the rest of the car by getting the headlight brackets to now fit. We have to cut for the intercooler, fit the headlights, get the hood on, do some hammer and dolly on the hood.
I forgot we had to. Well, besides, I didn't forget about the repair on the hood, but I forgot we had to.
That's fine.
Trim the headlight brackets. It's not that bad.
And then the hood has a little bit of boo-boo that we're gonna do on the car because it makes more sense.
Yeah, we might do a little bit off the car. I don't know. This is
unfortunate.
Definitely not an easy hood to fix, but it's also not an easy hood to come by. So we're gonna work with what we got for now. I'm sure Jimmy plans on getting another hood at some point.
Is that you telling me to get another hood?
No. We're gonna run it.
Yeah, I mean, I'd love a D-Max hood, but I don't want to spend $1,000. So
I'd love a D-Max hood for your car. Look at this. This is factory eco under here.
I know, it's such a precious hood. It was so nice. I ruined it. Ruined everything. But whatever. All right, cool. So we'll get that on. I'm excited, and then we could finally hit the dyno this weekend, which is huge news. And I can actually drive it on the street, get her dialed in, and hopefully I make the 13th drift event.
Yeah, we don't need a hood for the dyno.
Yeah. Off the list. Now I can make some more moves. that was holding us up, so we're good to go. So I'm just gonna call it early night. Steph wants me home. You guys know the deal. So 2 things that weren't the most interesting, but we need to get them done to make progress for the rest of the week, and they're done. Out of the way, thank God. And I want to come inside because the Boofmobile is coming back together after being spray painted yellow. It looks kind of good. It's a whole different car. I give Ryan props for putting in work right here, but you got the valve cover, powder coated the same color as Steffi's subframe, and it looks really good on the yellow. Purple and yellow. Weird combo, but it works. Really surprised and decently impressed. Not bad, Rye. So with that, we're gonna end it. Tomorrow's got some big plans. So huge shout out again to Open Road Tuning for getting us the shock bodies for the Miata so quickly, so we were able to change it out and get the exact fitment that we wanted, and I couldn't be happier. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and have a great night.